Well, I'd like to personally say thank you to the City of Garland, to our Mayor, Mayor Pro Tem, and for everybody that came out to celebrate this groundbreaking of the largest quick lane facility in Garland, Texas. So it's going to be a great time to come on out and see this construction that's going on now at Shiloh and Garland Road. We want you to come be a part of it and to witness what can happen when powers come together for the better of our community. From our city council to our councilman members to wonderful people at Prestige Garland, to Justin, to Suzanne, and to Sheena and the team that made this happen. I'm so excited and I'm so proud of you.
The Randall Reed dealerships are successful beyond measure. This will just be an extension of that, and I know they're going to take care of their customers and also that they take care of the community as well.
Come on out and see us.